Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Dr. Trust 360 and granting permissions so the app can access sensors and notifications. Once done, create or sign into your account with email or phone. This links your data to the cloud. Make sure Bluetooth is on and pair your monitor within 1 to 2 meters for reliable transfer. You'll see prompts, follow them in order. This first step is essential because it establishes device trust and ensures the app can collect accurate readings automatically. Once paired, follow the in-app wizard to calibrate your Dr. Trust device. Calibration aligns app settings with the monitor's output. You should run a test measurement and compare the app reading with the device display to confirm accuracy, making adjustments if prompted. Then enable auto sync and background operation so readings upload automatically. While the app stores historical values, calibration and test checks matter because small mismatches compound over multiple recordings and skew trends. You finish by reviewing trends and exporting a report as PDF or CSV when you need to share results with a clinician. Once done, set reminders, target thresholds, and enable contact sharing for emergency alerts so the app notifies the right people. Make sure backups are enabled. If syncing fails, first repair the device. If that doesn't help, restart the app or reinstall it. And as a last resort, reset the monitor. These steps resolve most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.